In this video I will show you how to enlarge your system drive without any additional software. The background is that when you have hosted your web server somewhere in a web hoster, and sometimes they pre-configure the system that you have a 40 gigabyte system drive and the rest is for data. And if you ask them to change that stuff, then they say it's even possible. When we have a look on the system drive, in this case, then you will see you have a system drive, and I changed it to, without any additional software, to default to a bigger system drive, and I split the data drive and enlarged the system to 140 or something like this. How can you do this without any additional software? When you start with the system, you will see a small text below the drive, and on both drives it's written that you have the swap file is on both drives. That's the reason why you can't expand the C drive on your data drive. So you have the system drive. That's on my blog. What you see there, when you start this, then first you have to delete the Pagefile.sys, this swap file, because otherwise you can't expand that. So you won't get it run without disable that stuff. You have to go to data system, then to expanding system or properties, visual effects, then to extended and virtual cache. I don't know what the English word is. And then you have to click on the second drive. You click on that one, on the second drive, and then you will find at the lower point this option button that where you have to delete or disable the page swap option. And when you have disabled that stuff, then you may also after this also delete that data, that volume, or you may size it to a smaller size, and after this you may what is this? So you may minimize that volume. So I splitted it. I took the data and disable the option, then minimize it, then create a new volume there at the new space and give it a new volume name. I've written it in my blog. What is it there? You see it. Let's see there. Option, then what was it? Now comes a new volume. Then copy. Now it is here. Copy everything to the new drive. You first have to format it. Then you may copy all your data from the data volume. Then in my case, I deleted the volume next to the system drive, because most forums say that you have to delete it, and now I'm able to delete it. Then when it's deleted, then you have a free space there. Then at that moment Okay, that's, and now we are enlarging the system drive. Now that's normally possible. In my example now, it's the second one is filled now, but normally when there's a space, then you're able to enlarge it. And then let's see what I wrote there. My logging, expanding. You say first, okay, first enlarging the system drive, then you have the second one, and then you give a new drive name, and then you're formatting everything, and then you're copying everything back, and by this you system copy, and then you copy all stuff back, and so you have, after all that stuff, a new system, and you're also able to delete the other drive. I hope I could help you on this difficult position, because most providers say you have to buy an additional partition software, but even then you have problems with it. So you will see you can do it by yourself, only by disabling this Pagefile.sys. And if you like it, make a subscription or give me a like.